Smiley face. These are the guys that drive the funny little cars. A breathing device? That's not a good sign. This is giving up. Look at all this. There's acorns coming out of the hood. Here you go. That's neat. I mean, look at this. It's covered. Here you go. Look at that. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We're doing something a little bit different in today's video because I'm trying to get some work done here. I got my dining room table decorated for Christmas right there, and we're sitting here looking out the window because we have another car that's being delivered to the channel. If you remember in the last one, we talked about, it was a wagon. I'll give that one up. And it had something that started with T and ended with O. Not too difficult to guess, but it's getting delivered today. So I'm sitting here staring out the window, crossing my fingers that something nice arrives. Hopefully, Santa won't bring me a lump of coal and call it a car. That is a backbone to something that got dragged in here and eaten. Please be dead. Please be dead. Please. Oh, I smashed his brain. Yeah, we got rain. Hunt for the second vehicle has taken us to... What are you gonna say?
It's just too much for me to screw out.
What do you think about this car, Mike?
Mikey likes.
You like it?
Mikey likes.
I'm in the car.
Do you know what it is yet? Well, it's a Volvo. More specifically, it's a Volvo station wagon. This is the 850 T5. I'll tell you more about that in just a little bit. This model ran from 92 to 97, and it was the first front-wheel drive Volvo to actually hit the US streets. 222 horsepower, 221 pound-feet of torque. My car does nothing like that. It doesn't run, it doesn't drive, the engine doesn't start, so they're just rolling it off of the back of the tow truck right there. The cool thing is, the kid driving the car, I asked him what he thought about it. He said it was pretty cool. His mother had one back in the day, and turns out it was the best vehicle she ever owned. Yep, here she is, everybody, in all of her stinking, smelly glory. No, I think I'm gonna like the car. Okay, like I said, 1997 Volvo 850 with the T. The T5, you know what that means? That means there's a turbo underneath here somewhere. Okay, so I've already inflated this tire and the other tire, and they seem to be holding pretty well. But let's just kind of do a little walk. Well, okay, here's problem one. We have this, a broken windshield. Look at the dust. Look at, this is mold. This has been here for a long, long time. Here we go. Smiley face. If you can kind of see that. Wow, this is dirty. She has been sitting in a forest for a very long time, and this is giving up. Look at all this. Okay, so we'll have to repaint those. Not a big deal. And I think this could be a sign of things to come. Looks like the clear coat has come off of the top. But the body, if you just look at the body, and if you just look at the wheels, I think it's great. I mean, look at this. It's covered. This is going to take so much work to see what kind of a paint we have underneath, all right? This was not a run and drive, of course. This was a donation. So someone gave this to a charity, and then during the auction, there were 3 bidders, including myself, and I won it. And the price, like I said, $375, and then once you get all of the add-ons, the buyer's fees, all of that, $775, I think is what I have into this car. Don't remember the mileage, but this, look at the outside. This is horrible. It is dirty. She is a very, very dirty girl. So let's kind of see what's going on here. So this opens. We'll give her, ooh, look at the Volvo door lever. That's nice. We have spiders and everything living right there. Well, that one's dead. Okay, the seats though, if you get past the smell and the poo, the seats are in good condition. Oh, I got another little pin. What is this? It's like a little Masonic pin or something. Okay. The rear seats, they're not ripped up or anything. What do I have here? Governor Iztuk. How old is this? When did he run for governor? Wow. Okay, that's pretty amazing. I have floor mats. 1, 2, maybe. There are some in the back here. Okay, I got the weather floor mats. What is in the back? Because there's a bunch of junk in here. Let's just kind of... Oh, God, this has been closed for a long time. Okay, here we go. We get a box. There's your rear cover for the back part of the car. You're way back, which is nice. And I get a walking cane? No, what is that, a pool? Hold on. Let me try to balance this. See, the latches don't stay up. So what is this? Oh, this is a pool stick. Okay, I need this. I definitely need this. We're gonna use this. Uh-oh, there's something other Masonic going on. There we go. There it is. That's your hatch holder opener. Ooh. Okay. See, I get an umbrella. There's my front floor mats. I get my cover, which is right here. I get this piece, which I guess would go over there. Okay, so that's nice. There is a breathing device. That's not a good sign. Somebody was having trouble breathing. But what's in this thing? Let's see if we can open it. Hold on. Wait right there. Okay. Oh. Okay, that's got somebody's name in it. Orion Lodge from Ohio. From 1950. Wow. Okay, so this is something right here. Hold on. We're going to see what's in the... Oh, we get a garden tool. That's kind of nice. What? What? Oh, okay. These are the guys that drive the funny little cars. There we go. Muslim. Oh, how cool is this? That is pretty amazing. But I don't know what I think about the dragon holding a Wonder Ball. That's a thing. What is this? Let's see. This could be a hood ornament. This could be... Here you go. Look at that. That's perfect. Maybe a little more forward. Drill a hole, plug that in, and let her go. What in the world is this? If you know what this is, leave a comment, because I certainly don't. It's heavy. I mean, this is plastic, I think, plexiglass or something. It is plastic. This is plastic too. But there's nothing on the bottom. The Franklin Mint. From the Franklin Mint. So I'm sure it's gold and silver and worth a lot of money. No, I don't know. That is pretty freaking amazing though. That is cool. Okay, we'll put the dragon back in the box. Here we go. There's another little box in the box. Little key holder or something. And a top. Oh, this is a little container. There you go. Okay. Well, I love this. I'll probably have to give this back to the group though. I'll have to see where this came from and give it back to the group. We have an employee parking 192.46, whatever that is. Okay. Ouch, that's my head. Okay, look at all the dirt and everything. Let's go up front and see what we've got. We're still smiling. That's a good sign. And it's not bad. It's really not bad. Okay, we have electric seats. It's not ripped though. You can re-dye this. You can fix this very easily. There's a lot of mold, and there's certainly a lot of smell in here. This is, oh my goodness gracious. Okay, let me just take a little seat and see what's going on. I don't know why this is. Did this used to be a wood trim? I don't know. Look at the dash. There we go. Once again, the reason why I bought the car. Turbo! We have, okay, now we're talking. 1997 Volvo 850, owner's manual, maintenance information. I love it. I love it. I love it. What's this part? Okay. Here we're getting back to the maintenance part. Oh, we've got some... Maybe this is when it's been done. Maybe they circled it after they completed it because it was so well maintained. Here we go. Now we're talking. So 2/21 of 98 after whoever purchased the car. Engine oil, then a maintenance at 10,000 miles. Engine oil at 15,000. We got the 30,000 mile service. It doesn't. I can't read where though. And then it stops. Ooh, I hope this was maintained because we now have 123,000 miles. First sold Fort Gratior, Gradier, Fort Gradier, MI, Michigan. And you got a cargo cover right there. Okay, well, let's see what else. This inside is in really good shape. We get the little, what is this, quick tips? Okay, nice, nice, nice. I love it, I love it, I love it. The only issue inside is being, oh, well, now this is broken. That now, well, sorry about that, car. I'll have to glue that back. No, I'll get another little holder for it. But look on the inside. Look at the headliner. The headliner isn't too bad. I've had much, much, much worse. This is much worse on the inside. Okay, and it, oh. Well, here you go. It was serviced 2/17 of 2015. Okay, so 8.5 years ago. And it's due for 126,000 miles. So according to just the mileage, we're still good. But it hasn't been serviced since 2018. 2015. Yeah, 2015. So how old is the gas? How old is that going to be? Let's see if we can... Is the hood already open? I think somebody opened the hood. Here's the latch. Okay, let's take a look under the hood and see what she looks like. Are you ready for the big reveal? This will tell us exactly what we've purchased. There it is. Can you hear the acorns? There's acorns coming out of the hood. Here you go. That's that's a thing. Oh my gosh. Look at all the stuff that's coming out of here. That's fantastic. So they lived up under here. Whatever was there. Do I have a body up under there too? Ugh. Okay, we have huge poop. But the wires, the few wires I can see don't appear to be eaten. Does this still turn? The fan still turns. Here's your timing belt. This is the way the engine goes like this. It's a 5-cylinder with the turbo. T-U-R-B-O-T-O. That was your clue right there. Look how easy it is to change the top engine mount. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see if there's oil. Here we go. There is. So they did a good job at the oil change back in 2015. That's nice to know. What is this? Coolant. There is. There's a little coolant in there. Okay. Nice. Holy moly. I guess the turbo's under there. This, look at the poo. Look at the poo. It's not the worst one though. Remember the rat wagon where this would have been just completely full of nesting material? We can still see the engine in this. So we're going to say this is a little better. The hood latch still works. This should be pretty easy to clean. Should I try it? Should we just try to start it to see what happens? I mean, the timing belt, it's a belt. So that could be a big issue. But I don't know. I think I just want to try to start it. I think I do. I think I am. We're just going to put a charge on it and just see what happens. Okay? Let's just do that real quick. Hold on. This is the moment of truth. This is a good sign. Okay, we have the fan blowing. Nothing is sparking. We're charging the battery. Okay, we got 11.8. And we've got some dinging on the inside. So, could this be the moment of truth? Yes. Are we ready? Oh my gosh, here we go. Say a little prayer with me, folks, because this will be huge. I don't know what's going to happen. I really don't know. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Well, what do you think happened when I turned the key? I hate to do it to you, but that is how we are going to end the video on this car. Yeah, what a cliffhanger. Don't get mad, because that just gives me another opportunity to string you along a little longer. Okay, everybody? You'll notice, if you are astute, that the car is in a different location. Maybe it drove here. Maybe I had to pull it here. But we are back around the backside of the house. This is the trauma center, is what I call it, for all of these cars. And you're going to find out if this one needs life-saving support coming up very, very soon. We have to clean it. We have to clean her up, because I don't like to touch dirty cars. And this is like filthy. I mean, it is gross in here. It could be even worse than the rat wagon was when we pulled that out of the Missouri woods. But you're going to find out in the next video, okay? Thank you for watching, everybody. If you haven't, please subscribe, and we will be back with another video on this yet-to-be-named Volvo 850 T5 Wonderful Wagon. I can't call it a Wonder Wagon because that's parked out front. All right. Have a good day, everybody.